everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make patterns in Cricut Design Space. So I have created a tutorial project file in Cricut Design Space. You are going to click Customize, and then you will see the project file here, and we will get started. Okay, so I already have these set for the size of the Cricut blank ceramic coasters. I believe they're 3.75 in diameter, so we're going to do 3.6. I'm going to go into images, and you're going to find the object that you would like to work with. I have Cricut Access, so I have access to over 100,000 Cricut images. That is a fee that you can pay annually, and I'll link that for you in case you'd like to subscribe. I highly recommend it. So you're going to find the skull that you would like to work with, and the A here is for access. If you don't have Cricut Access, you can either pay for these or you can upload your own images, and I believe there's some free ones that all Cricut Design Space users can use, if I'm not mistaken. So like I said, you can search through the database of all these skulls, find the one you want. I believe this is the one I was working with. I could be wrong. Let's see. Actually, it might be this one here. Okay, when you select it, you'll notice that it pops up down here, and then you're going to click Insert Image. Okay, this one's a little different, but that's okay. Okay, and then we're going to select a heart. You can either go here and choose this heart in your shapes, or you can go into images and select a heart there. Okay, so heart. This is the one I chose. It's the first one that comes up because I thought it was really cute, and I left that red. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm going to make this white just so we can see it. And guys, it is literally as simple as copying and pasting this skull over and over and over again. So what I like to do first is find a size that we like for the tutorial. For the project we're working with. And that looks about right. And then you can rotate it or whatever you see fit. The other one I rotated a little bit, so we'll do that here. Okay, and then you're going, if you have MacBook, you can do Command C, and I think with a regular, like with Windows, you can do Control C, or you can right click and click duplicate. So there, I'm just going to do that a bunch of times. If you look to the right of the screen, you can see the new skulls showing up in layers. So I'm going to do that a bunch. And right now they're all stacking, so I'm going to separate them like so. Okay, and we'll probably add some more, but for now we'll leave it at that. Actually, let me add just a couple more. I think 3 more should be good. Okay, obviously this isn't looking too good, doesn't make much sense. So we're going to resize some of these so we can make them all fit. You don't want these too close to the edge because it will look kind of funky when you make your coasters. But you can always play around and, move the, rotate the skulls a little bit, whatever you want to do. But this is what we'll do. Just keep resizing and just moving them around, playing around with it, whatever you think. And if you want to make yours like mine, we're going to add this heart in there, which I thought was super cute. It just kind of made the design a little bit different. I actually like this new one I'm doing better than my previous one. I like the different rotation of the skulls. I think it kind of adds some character to the design. Okay, so now we're going to add the heart. I'm probably going to add one more skull to this, maybe a couple, we'll see. And that's what's great about doing Excuse that I just made another heart. I don't know why I did that. That's what's great about making your own pattern, is that you can make it look exactly how you want. So this one, because of the placement of the skulls, I'm going to flip this heart. So you can go to the top of the screen to the toolbar and flip horizontally. There we go. And you see, since I flipped it, it fits right in there. So now I just feel like maybe these skulls to the left of the heart are all kind of the same size. So I'm going to resize them just to make it look a little bit better. And then I'll add some more skulls. Just keep in mind when you're changing the size of these that you don't really want your objects to be too small, because you are going to be cutting these, and the smaller they are, the harder they are to weed. But I will say that if you're using infusible ink like I am, it is to me, it's very easy to weed. You weed with your fingers, and just something about it is a lot easier. So I am just making new skulls with that Command C shortcut on my keyboard. Okay, this is looking a little too busy here, so I will move this around. Oh, there we go. Okay. Make sure none of the skulls are touching each other, because that will not cut out right. Because don't forget, we are cutting, we are not printing, so you have to be careful with the placement of your objects. Okay, let's move this over a little, resize that a little bit. I think it's looking really cute. Let me make this skull a little bit bigger. Fill in some of the space. Try to also make sure that your skulls aren't lined up too much. Like you don't want like a straight line of skulls. You want them to be kind of just like thrown on there. So I think that is super cute. Obviously it's different from this one, but you guys get the idea. So that is how to make patterns in Cricut Design Space. It's so easy.